Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Make your garden bloom with vibrant flowers all year round. In today's video, I will share a completely natural care recipe using only ingredients readily available in your kitchen that are extremely safe and gentle. After many years of practice, this method has shown clear results. Orchid roots become strong, plump, and white. Leaves become glossy green and healthy. And especially, the flower spikes grow long, with evenly blooming, vibrant flowers. The entire garden is full of life, bright, and bursting with color. Let's get started right away. To make this type of fertilizer, I first use one banana like this. Bananas are not only a nutritious food for us, but also a miracle tonic for plants. After eating the banana, don't throw the peel into the trash. It contains plenty of potassium, vitamins, and natural compounds that help stimulate root growth, boost resistance, and encourage your plants to grow healthier day by day. First, I will cut the banana peel into small pieces as shown in the video. Cutting it into small pieces like this helps the nutrients in the ingredients release more quickly. At the same time, when chopped finely, the soaking or fermenting process happens faster, creating a richer and more stable nutrient solution. This way, the plants receive natural nutrients in the most optimal way. Next, I will put all the banana peels into a clean glass cup. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Then add 500 milliliters of boiling water to soak the mixture. Finally, cover it and let the mixture steep for 1 hour. In the meantime, I will prepare the next ingredient. Do you often eat eggs? What do you usually do with the eggshells? Don't rush to throw them away. Rinse it under clean running water. What seems like waste, eggshells, is actually an extremely valuable source of calcium for orchids and many other plants. When processed properly, eggshells become a natural fertilizer that helps roots grow stronger, reduces rot, and increases the overall sturdiness of the plant. So keep the shells and make the most of them instead of letting them go to waste. After that, place the eggshells in a well-ventilated area to let them dry completely. This not only makes the shells more brittle and easier to crush, but also removes any fishy smell, making them cleaner and safer to use for your plants. When the shells are completely dry, we will put them all into a clean cup like this. Next, add 500 milliliters of boiling water. Then, cover it and let the mixture steep for 1 hour. While waiting, water your plants first. If the soil is too dry, the roots won't be able to absorb nutrients, making it harder for the plants to recover. Watering first helps the roots grow better and allows the orchid to recover faster. After watering, let the plant rest and absorb enough water. When the roots have absorbed enough, they will turn green like this. At this point, you can apply the fertilizer without worrying about harming the plant. Repeat the same process with the remaining plants, making sure each one absorbs enough water before applying the fertilizer. After 1 hour, I strain out the banana pulp, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Do the same with the eggshell soak. Strain out the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. Here, I will combine it with the banana peel solution. Let the two solutions blend together, then add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the mixture. And that's it. The solution is now ready to be used as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchids right away. Method 1. First, pour the prepared banana peel and eggshell solution into a small cup. Use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently soak up the solution. Then carefully wipe each leaf of the orchid evenly. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust, increases light absorption, and also reduces bacteria, mold, and pests, keeping the leaves clean and healthy. The solution made from banana peels and eggshells is rich in potassium, calcium, and many natural trace elements, helping the leaves become more vigorous, improving metabolism, and enhancing resistance. Wipe both sides of the leaves so the nutrients are absorbed optimally, making the leaves thick, green, and glossy. You should do this 1 to 2 times a week to maintain cleanliness, support photosynthesis, and promote sustainable plant growth. In addition to orchids, I will also wipe the leaves of the peace lily. This plant loves a cool, humid environment and clean leaves, so regularly wiping its leaves with a diluted banana peel and eggshell solution helps them stay glossy, green, and enhances photosynthesis. Natural minerals like potassium and calcium also support the peace lily's strong growth, reduce yellowing of leaves, and boost resistance against fungal diseases. You only need to gently wipe each side of the leaves, especially the large ones that easily collect dust. Your peace lily will recover quickly and look vibrant in just a few days. This is an extremely simple care method that anyone can do to keep their living space green and full of life. Method 2. I will pour the banana peel and eggshell solution into a dedicated watering can. Then, Start watering around the base of the orchids. This watering method not only provides a rich source of natural nutrients from banana peels and eggshells, but also supplies important minerals like potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and many essential trace elements. These nutrients help stimulate strong root growth, nourish thick, glossy green leaves, and naturally boost the plant's resistance. The solution made from banana peels and eggshells helps plants absorb nutrients more effectively, recover quickly from weakness, and promote overall growth. At the same time, some natural minerals help reduce fungal infections, improve substrate aeration, and create a favorable environment for beneficial microorganisms. You should water regularly once a week during the recovery period, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain a steady nutrient supply. Method 3. Pour the banana peel and eggshell solution into a spray bottle and evenly mist the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Minerals like potassium, calcium, and phosphorus will be evenly absorbed, helping the plant stay healthy, boost its resistance, and reduce fungal issues. Spray both sides of the leaves to remove dust, enhance photosynthesis, and promote greener, healthier growth. Apply once a week during the first month, then maintain once a month thereafter. After spraying, let the plant rest for 15 minutes and wipe off any standing water to prevent creating an environment for fungal growth. In addition to orchids, you can also mist anthuriums. Gently spray the banana peel and eggshell solution around the base of the anthurium. When misted, natural minerals like potassium, calcium, and phosphorus are directly absorbed by the roots, helping them stay strong, take up nutrients efficiently, and promote faster plant recovery. This solution also helps boost resistance, reduce fungi, bacteria, and pests from the base, and ensures uniform growth of new shoots and flower spikes, resulting in long-lasting, vibrant blooms. You should spray once a week during the recovery period, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain a stable nutrient supply for the plant. Results: the orchid leaves become darker green, glossy, and thicker day by day, while the new young leaves grow full of vitality, reflecting effective and stable photosynthesis. When the leaves are healthy, the plant absorbs light better, nourishes strong new shoots, and prepares for a brilliant flowering season ahead. The root system is also the most noticeable change. New roots grow abundantly, plump and white, with green tips, indicating that the plant is absorbing nutrients very well. Strong roots anchor firmly into the substrate, helping the plant stand upright, efficiently transport water and minerals, and provide a solid foundation for the entire orchid to grow healthy and sustainably. Not only the leaves and roots, but the flower buds and spikes also begin to develop vigorously. The flower spikes grow long, sturdy, and straight, signaling a promising new flowering season. Buds appear continuously, plump, with bright colors and longer-lasting durability. Flowers bloom in succession, creating a vibrant, lively orchid pot that stays beautiful for several weeks. A wonderful result of persistent and proper care. Each flower that blooms is the plant's response to you. When nurtured with natural, gentle, yet effective methods, the orchid not only becomes healthier, but your entire garden becomes more vibrant and refreshing. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids and watch their magical transformation. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the natural and effective orchid care tips in upcoming videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next green journey.